Imagine sitting in a completely empty room, closing your eyes, and realizing that the physical world around you has just become entirely optional. For the last few years, the tech industry has been trying to convince us that spatial computing is the future. They gave us headsets, controllers, and virtual screens. We thought we were looking at the cutting edge of human-machine interaction. But behind the locked doors of Apple's secret development labs, a much deeper, far more disruptive project has been unfolding. While the world was busy analyzing the first-generation hardware, Apple's elite engineering team was quietly preparing a structural leap that will change how humanity interacts with reality itself. This is the Apple Vision Pro 2, and it is about to make everything you currently look at completely obsolete. If you are thinking about buying any virtual reality headset, any smart glasses, or even investing in a high-end multi-monitor desk setup right now, you need to freeze. Do not spend a single dollar. Because what is coming next isn't just a spec bump. It is a psychological and technological shift that will make current spatial headsets look like bulky, ancient prototypes from a bygone era. To truly understand what makes the Vision Pro 2 a point of no return, we have to look at what Apple discovered after unleashing their first spatial computer into the wild. They realized that human beings don't just want bigger screens floating in their living rooms. They want an invisible interface. They want a device that integrates so seamlessly with the human nervous system that the line between physical matter and digital light completely evaporates. The original headset was a public proof of concept, a massive, heavy, beautifully constructed warning shot to the rest of the industry. The Vision Pro 2 is the actual weapon. The absolute core of this new machine isn't just a faster processor. The Vision Pro 2 introduces a proprietary, localized cognitive processing architecture driven by Apple's next-generation silicon. This is an engine built with one terrifyingly powerful objective: zero-latency intentional tracking. Think about the current lag, however minuscule, between your eye movement, your hand gestures, and the digital response on screen. The Vision Pro 2 completely eliminates it. By utilizing advanced Neuralink predictive algorithms, the device literally reads your intention fractions of a second before your muscles even move. When you think about looking at a window, it is already active. When you prepare to swipe, the environment is already reacting. It creates an uncanny, almost telepathic connection that makes you feel like you are controlling digital matter with your mind. But Apple didn't stop at the internal brains. They completely re-engineered the optical display physics. The Vision Pro 2 features a hyper-dense, dual-stack micro-OLED system that pushes resolution past what the human eye can even differentiate as pixels. The contrast ratios are no longer measured in numbers. They are absolute. When you pass through into a completely dark virtual environment, your eyes adjust exactly as they would in deep space. There is no light bleed, no lens flaring, and absolutely zero screen door effect. The digital objects injected into your physical room don't just sit there like holograms. They cast mathematically perfect, real-time shadows based on the actual lighting fixtures in your physical ceiling. If you place a virtual glass vase on your real wooden table, the refraction of the light passing through it will look so undeniably real that your brain will genuinely refuse to believe it isn't there. Let's talk about the physical form factor, because this is where the engineers performed